Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix the Wi-Fi cutting out on your iPhone 17. So, at first what I recommend doing is to open the settings in your phone right here. Now, go to the main menu and scroll down to Wi-Fi. Once you tap Wi-Fi, disable it. Then after some time, enable it back again, and everything should be fine. If it still isn't, you need to go to the control center right here and toggle the airplane mode, this plain icon over here. Toggle it on and wait 15 seconds, and after this time tap the airplane mode back off. This should help you. These reset the wireless radios and often fix brief dropouts. Apart from that, if you still have Wi-Fi cutting out, you need to restart your iPhone. Hold the side button and volume down button. Here, slide to power off and power off your device. After some period of time, for example 1 minute, turn your phone back on. Apart from that, here, let's go back to our phone here. We can go to the settings, back again to the Wi-Fi over here, tap this info icon near your Wi-Fi network, tap forget and forget. Now pair with another one or the same that you just had. If it works, that's nice, but if it isn't, you need to go to the next step. Go back, tap cellular, and here as you can see you don't have cellular, but here if you do have somewhere Wi-Fi assist, you need to toggle it off. Apart from that, go back to the Wi-Fi. Here in the Wi-Fi you need to tap this info icon near your network and disable the low data mode that is over here. And as the final thing, maybe not final, but we have a couple of tips, but as the final thing that you can do right here in the Wi-Fi, here tap private Wi-Fi address and disable it. Tap auto tracking and you'll be good to go. In the public networks, it's forbidden. I mean, it's not forbidden, but you won't have your data in the moment. Actually, if someone tries to get your data, they will get everything. If you are in the home network, you can use it, but of course just test it. Just now connected to this network, I mean, try doing something, then enable this private Wi-Fi address back again, and everything should be fine. Apart from that, you can go to the general settings in your phone. Here, scroll all the way down to the transfer reset iPhone, tap reset, and here tap reset network settings, the second option. 1, 2, 3, 4, enter your passcode and tap this red font reset network settings. This will erase Wi-Fi passwords, VPNs and Bluetooth connections. Now everything should be fine, but if it still isn't, you need to go here to the software update and check if you do have any updates. As you can see, I don't have any updates available. If you do, install. Upload frequently fixes Wi-Fi issues quietly in minor updates. Apart from that, as the final thing over here is that you have to check your router. If Wi-Fi cuts out on multiple devices, there is likely the issue. Try restarting the router, unplug for 60 seconds, moving closer to the router, switch router bands, and updating your router firmware. And if Wi-Fi disconnects near the router, Bluetooth also drops, the issue persists after a full reset, it could be an antenna or logic port issue. Contact the Apple support or visit an Apple store or authorized service provider. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.